In today's video, I'm going to teach you guide how to download code files from Base44 Easy Guide. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a clean zip file of your project's code downloaded to your computer. Perfect for backups, code review, or sharing with your team. We'll keep things simple, clear, and focused on exactly what you need to do. Start by opening Base44 in your web browser and signing in to your account. A stable internet connection helps here, especially if your project is large. If you use multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the correct one so you'll see the right apps. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard. Next, look for the app section in the interface and click it. This takes you to a list of all the applications available to you. If you manage a lot of projects, use the built-in filters or search to quickly narrow things down. If you don't see what you expect, double check you're in the right workspace and that your account has access to the app you want. From the list, select the specific app you want to export. Clicking it opens the app's editor or preview area. Give it a second to load fully. If you've made recent edits, it's a good idea to ensure everything is saved so the export includes your latest changes. Keeping your project in a stable state also helps the export run smoothly. Now look to the top right corner of the app interface for the three-dot menu. Click that to open more actions, then choose Export Project as zip. This command packages your project into a single compressed file. Depending on the size of your app, the system may need a moment to prepare the export. Avoid navigating away or refreshing while it's working to prevent interruptions. When the export options appear, click Download Zippy. Your browser will begin downloading the file to your default downloads location. You can monitor the progress in your browser's download manager. If your browser asks for permission to save files, confirm it. Large projects might take a little longer, so give it time to complete. If a download stalls, checking your connection and trying again usually resolves it. That's it. You've just downloaded your project's code from Base44 as a zip file. You can repeat the same process for any other apps you manage. If you don't see the export option, it may be a permission setting in your workspace, so contact an admin if needed. Thanks for watching and enjoy working with your exported code.